Hello and welcome back. We are down here in Oklahoma. I'm at my friend's house. You would have seen him in another video before. We were deer hunting, and so I'll show you that deer hunting video up here. He came to Minnesota and was doing some deer hunting with me last year, or 2 years ago I think it was. So what we're doing today is we're taking down a couple of trees. You can see here's one of them we taken down right here. I'm going to flip the camera around, show you. Here's one we dug out already. We kind of pushed it over the way and kind of pushed some of the dirt back in there. So we're trying to take this one down here first. We got a couple more we got to get down too. Before, that pine tree up there was kind of blocking it. I think we push it this way, we'll get it to come down. And there she goes. She's gonna go over. So that worked out pretty well. Then we'll have to come back with the tractor and stuff, clean them up. I'm not sure if I'll film all of that, but... Molly! The dog keeps wanting to play with it. I'm trying to dig some of the dirt off so we don't have a big hole here. We'll fill it back in a little bit. Knock as much dirt as we can out of it so we can fill that back in the hole. It's kind of fun when you got the big tools to do the job. Push some of this dirt back in there. Fill that hole back in. Then we're going to take care of this one here next. It'd be fun to have one of these up north. Don't have one, but I thought about it. It'd be fun to have one up there. Dig some holes, put some culverts in for some of those wet spots we have up there. If you don't dig around it, you're gonna snap it off. If you don't dig around it, you're gonna snap it. The concern is the septic tank is kind of right in this area, and so we want to be a little bit more careful about how we dig on this one and how far we go in, because we don't want to mess that septic tank up. That would be an expensive mistake. So we're thinking we dig a little bit out on this side, and then we'll come in around and push it all that way, I'm thinking. See if it'll come up. That's probably enough to dig it up, to push it. For digging the ground, it kind of just knocked it over. We can grab the root ball and pull it out of there, I guess. The root ball's kind of split in half, so that's good. Knocked it over that way. second one's going to go so easily. Well, that was exciting. He hit the house. He missed the house, but he almost got me. There we go. It's going. Push it forward now. Molly, 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 go to the house. Molly, go to the house. Go to the house, Molly. So we did that one pretty smooth without having to dig a big hole. You have to get a pile of dirt to put in there. So here is a little bit of the aftermath. Got that there. We took this tree down over here. We'll have to kind of fill this in some more. And then we took one tree down over here. These were a little bit smaller, so we were able to just kind of push them over. Didn't make as big of a mess. We didn't want to mess up this sidewalk here too, so we'll just have to fill in that hole. Alright, that's what I got for now, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we will see you guys next time.